Hi everyone, this is Megan Sims, and this is my little getting acquainted, get to know you video that I made. So, like I said, my name is Megan Sims. We'll start off. I have lived lots of different places. I was born into a military family. So, some of the places that I've lived include Abilene, Texas, South Korea, Warrensburg, Missouri, Boise, Idaho. I was born in Provo, Utah, so I pretty much consider that as like my home base because I graduated high school there as well. Um, but yeah, so these are some pictures of places that I've lived. I've also lived in Kentucky and California and just back and forth to a lot of different places as my dad got different assignments in the military. So recently, my husband and I relocated from Rexburg, Idaho to Midvale, Utah for his job. We loved Rexburg, but I definitely like being back by the mountains, and seeing those every morning is definitely a plus living in Utah. So, a little bit about me and my husband. We met in Boise in 2016. We were attending the same YSA ward and were introduced to each other by some mutual friends. And yeah, our story kind of just goes from there. We were married in the Provo City Center Temple. We met in 2015. My bad. We were married in 2016 and in March of 2016, and it was actually only a few days after that temple opened, so that was pretty cool. And another cool thing is that I actually was around when the Provo Tabernacle, which was the temple before, was burning down in 2010. So it was kind of cool to be able to go back there and see it all brand new, and it's beautiful inside. So yeah, so that's us. Here's a little bit more on my family. In December of 2017, we welcomed our daughter. She's a little redhead. We named her Ember. She definitely lives up to that red hair with her temper tantrum. She's almost 2 now, so this photo's a little bit old, but this was right after she was born. And then, of course, on the left side, that's my parents, my mom and dad, on our wedding day. So, yeah, that's our little family. Oh, and then this is everyone who kind of came to our wedding that is also family. Lots of people on my side, lots of people on my husband's side, and friends, and it's people we love and cherish. And best day, that was the best day ever. So, as far as education, I actually started my college career up at Utah State. I attended there for a semester, and then I had to come home and have a few surgeries done. I had my thyroid removed, and then I was actually at home in Boise, where my dad was stationed down there at Mountain Home, and that's where I met Parker, my husband. So we got married, and I decided to transfer to BYU, Idaho, which I am loving so far. And in terms of what how I hope to apply what I've learned in this course is, from my understanding, basically talks about the different family theories, and so I'm really hoping I can use these theories and kind of refer back to them as I'm growing my family right now, and in the future when my family's kind of done growing, and use the different topics and concepts that I've learned from this class to really strengthen and build that solid foundation. Favorites and hobbies. My family and I have always been very active growing up. I played soccer all through high school. I really started when I was 5, played on club teams, and so that brought me a lot of joy. We also like to ski. So on the left side, that's all of us skiing in 2008. And yeah, then these are just some pictures of playing soccer. My younger sister kind of took after me and plays soccer as well. She's currently serving her mission in Washington, in Spokane, Washington, and she's loving it there. So it's really cool. And then picture on the right of me and my dad, we were doing a triathlon on the Air Force Base there. So I really enjoy just getting out, being active, and running around and having a good time with that. So, and that is it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to get to know you guys better as we go throughout this course. Thanks.